The weight loss struggle. Are you part of the statistic? Did you know that nearly half of all adults want to lose weight? That's right, almost 50% of us are on a mission to shed those extra pounds. It's true. So many of us are looking for ways to feel healthier and more confident. Whether it's through diet, exercise, or a combination of both, the journey to a healthier you is a common goal. But losing weight can feel like a real uphill battle. The challenges can be overwhelming, and the path to success is often filled with obstacles. We've all been there. You start a diet with the best intentions, only to fall off track after a few days. Temptations are everywhere, and it can be hard to stay committed. It's easy to feel discouraged. The frustration of not seeing immediate results can make you want to give up. But don't worry, I'm here to tell you that losing weight doesn't have to be a drag. There are enjoyable and effective ways to reach your goals. In fact, it can be delicious and even fun. Imagine incorporating tasty, nutritious options into your daily routine that make you look forward to each meal. Let me introduce you to a simple, tasty tool that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Smoothies. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and flavors, smoothies can be a game changer in your weight loss journey. Smoothies are like magic in a blender. They're a fantastic way to pack in tons of nutrients, boost your energy, and yes, even shed those extra pounds. Think of them as a delicious way to sneak in those fruits, veggies, and proteins that your body craves. No more boring salads or bland chicken breasts. Smoothies are all about flavor and fun. You can customize them to your liking, experimenting with different fruits, veggies, and even sneaky greens that you wouldn't normally eat. Let's face it, life gets busy. We're juggling work, family, and everything in between. Who has time to cook elaborate, healthy meals every day? Plus, those sugary snacks and fast food options are always calling our names. That's where smoothies come to the rescue. They're quick and easy to make, even on the busiest of mornings. And the best part? They're so delicious and satisfying that you won't even miss those unhealthy cravings. Supercharge your smoothie ingredients that melt fat. Now let's talk about what makes these smoothies so powerful for weight loss. We're not talking about some magic potion here. It's all about choosing the right ingredients. Think fiber-rich fruits like berries and leafy greens that keep you feeling full and satisfied. Add in some protein powerhouses like Greek yogurt or protein powder to help build lean muscle mass. And don't forget about healthy fats from avocados or nut butter, which are essential for keeping you satisfied and energized. Blend your way to success, the ultimate weight loss smoothie recipe. This smoothie is not just delicious, but also incredibly nutritious, designed to help you shed those extra pounds while keeping you full and satisfied. Ready to give it a go? Let's dive into the ingredients and the simple steps to make this ultimate weight loss smoothie. Here's my go-to weight loss smoothie recipe. It's quick, easy, and perfect for busy mornings or a post-workout snack. 1 cup frozen berries, like strawberries, raspberries, or blueberries. These berries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that help boost your metabolism and keep you energized throughout the day. 1/2 cup spinach or kale. These leafy greens are rich in fiber and essential nutrients, aiding in digestion and keeping you feeling full longer. 1 scoop vanilla protein powder. This adds a creamy texture and helps in muscle recovery. Asterisk, 1/2 an avocado. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats that are great for your heart and help keep you satiated. 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk. It's a low-calorie alternative to regular milk and adds a subtle nutty flavor. Water, to achieve desired consistency. Adjust the amount of water based on how thick or thin you like your smoothie. 1. Combine all ingredients in a blender. Make sure to layer them properly for a smoother blend. 2. Blend until smooth and creamy. This usually takes about 30-60 seconds depending on your blender's power. 3. Add more almond milk or water if needed to reach your desired thickness. You can also add ice cubes if you prefer a colder, thicker smoothie. 4. Pour into a glass, grab a straw, and enjoy. This is the moment you've been waiting for. This smoothie is packed with antioxidants, fiber, protein, and healthy fats, making it the perfect meal replacement or healthy snack. It's not just a drink, it's a powerhouse of nutrition that supports your weight loss journey. Simplicity and flavor for a healthier you. In this section, we've explored how simplicity and flavor can go hand in hand to create a healthier lifestyle. So, there you have it. A simple yet effective way to boost your health and well-being. Losing weight doesn't have to be complicated or boring. With just a few fresh ingredients, you can create a delicious smoothie that's both nutritious and satisfying. With this simple smoothie recipe, you can take control of your health and reach your weight loss goals. Remember, consistency is key. Make it a daily habit and watch the transformation. Try swapping out your usual breakfast or that afternoon sugary snack with this delicious smoothie. It's a small change that can make a big difference. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel, more energy, better mood, and a healthier body. Now I want to hear from you. Your journey and experiences matter. What are your favorite smoothie ingredients? Do you have any secret tips or unique combinations? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Let's create a community of health enthusiasts. Let's support each other on this journey to a healthier, happier us. Together we can achieve our goals and inspire one another.